Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I wanna talking about how to remove airbag sensor in Mercedes C300. Actually, it's very easy. It's not hard. You see this point? You see this? You put this link here and push. And you have look here in another side. Also push. It's coming up. You see? It's coming up. You see that if I remove that lock, it's coming out. It's coming out. You see this wire here and this here, and this one we remove this one, and this one also it's removing. Now we don't have anything here. Just only we need remove this one. Now I put this alanke and I give this D10 and open. When I open, don't forget this mark. Save this mark. This mark here with this one. And now it's free. This cover, this black cover here, remove it. It's very easy. You see, it's very easy. Have a look there and there and there and there. And you see this airbag wire, it's broken here. This all problem. This angle sensor, no problem. We don't need this one. We need only this one. And when you watch this video, don't forget to put follow and subscribe and comment. Okay. This Mercedes C300 2017. Goodbye.